Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 93 of 3 words and expressions of 100 a day. Let's review first. 笔记 note. 桌子 desk, table. 椅子 chair. Now follow me to learn 说话听见歌曲 in Chinese characters. 说话说和无啊话说话 means speak. Why do you speak like that? 你为什么那样说？说话说话话speak说话Next one 听见听见 means hear. Can you hear me? 你可以听见我说的话吗？听见听见hear 听见Next one for today 歌曲means song. What's your favorite song? Let me know in the comments below. 歌曲歌曲歌 older brother 欠曲歌曲 song 说话 speak 听见 hear 歌曲 song. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.